Hey everyone, so I'm just removing this tank knee protector sticker here, and I just want to show you how I'm doing it because there's a lot of glue. So I'm using just my finger to just gently, bit of mineral turpentine, softens it up just nicely, just a little dab. So I'm not rubbing too much at this point because there are some contaminants around the edge. So just quickly rub, and then just using just my finger, no nails, just my finger, it's just sort of pulling it up this way. So it does take a little while. So I'm taking the majority off just like this. Okay, after this step, I'm going to make sure that I then use a protector. Maybe I'm going to use my spray wax, I think, maybe, just to get a bit of that shine back. It's still shiny. I'm not rubbing hard, just very gentle rubbing. You can't rub too hard with terps, otherwise you're going to take the paint off and all that lovely clear coat. So we're just going to, nice and easy, just got a wet microfiber all over the top. I like to do this step every time, just making sure that there's no more of that chemical left in there. Just dry it off quickly. Now I'm going to use this to give a nice top coat. Waxy coat. Screwdriver with a microfiber to get into the nooks around here. This split in the area here.